Liquid AI's DSpark drafter checkpoints can speed decoding up to 3.18 times on an H100 GPU. The emitted output remains identical under greedy decoding. Liquid AI reports a 57% average latency cut in multi-tool traces for LFM 2.5, 2.6b. Liquid AI published DSpark drafter checkpoints for LFM 2.51.2b instruct, LFM 2.52.6b, and LFM 2.58b A1b. Each drafter is about 300 million parameters. It proposes a 9-token block that the target model verifies in one forward pass. Weights are available as safe tensors and GGUF. llama.cpp and SGLang support was available on day 1. Speculative decoding uses a small drafter to propose multiple tokens in parallel. DSpark mixes 3 parts. A parallel backbone produces hidden states for draft tokens. A sequential head restores neighbor dependencies, and a confidence verifier prunes low-confidence suffixes. The trade is extra memory. The 2.6b drafter repo is 655 megabytes in BF16. Speedups vary by task and hardware. Liquid AI reports up to 3.18 times on an H100. They report up to 2.87 times on an M4 Max. Acceptance varies. 8.27 of 10 tokens on MAH500, 4.02 on GSM 8K. On Apple Silicon, the 8B MOE model averaged only 1.18 times because of current metal backend behavior. Next, Superwhisper released S1 Mini. It is an open weights text normalizer for ASR output. S1 Mini is a 462 megabyte open weights model on Hugging Face. It was fine-tuned from Qwen 3.0.6b. S1 Mini is not a transcriber. It sits after ASR and normalizes transcripts. It removes fillers, resolves self-corrections, and applies punctuation, capitalization, and written forms for numbers and emails. Superwhisper reports test metrics on 7,519 cases. They report token accuracy of 94.8%, a text edit error rate of 11.6%, email greeting detection 99.3%, sign-off 97.9%, structure accuracy 97.6%, exact email addresses in 92% of cases. S1 Mini uses a 3-axis control line. Styling, structure, context. Enable thinking must be set to false. Decode greedily and set temperature to 0. UPDF is an all-in-one PDF editor with an integrated AI assistant running on GPT 5.6. It edits in place to preserve layout and tables. It converts to 14 formats and recognizes 38 languages with claimed OCR accuracy up to 99%. Version 2.5 shipped on March 31, 2026, and added 10 AI agents. The article reporting these details was sponsored by UPDF. Developers face trade-offs. DSpark requires self-hosting with SGLang or llama.cpp with DSpark support. It increases memory but reduces decode latency for agent loops. S1 Mini is available under Apache 2.0 plus a naming clause. Run it locally after ASR, and keep raw transcripts for auditing. UPDF targets teams wanting an integrated editor. Its assistant is hosted GPT 5.6, and its tiers and pricing need validation for high-volume use. Limitations to watch. DSpark gains depend on token acceptance and hardware. MOE models show smaller gains on Apple Silicon because of metal backend behavior. S1 Mini is English only in version 1. It expects trained control values. Other inputs can garble. It will not add facts or invent content. UPDF accuracy numbers are vendor reported, and the article was sponsored. Verify claims with realistic documents and check free tier caps. Final takeaway. Test DSpark on your traces and hardware. Expect memory trade-offs. Use S1 Mini as a local post-ASR normalizer. Evaluate UPDF's in-editor GPT 5.6 assistant for layout-sensitive document workflows, and check pricing and data handling. You will find all sources in the description. Liquid AI, DSpark, draft models announcement. Superwhisper S1 mini model details. UPDF product and AI agent write-up.